Hi everyone. So I'm doing an unboxing today. It's a little bit of unusual unboxing. I actually purchased this from shopgoodwill.com and they offer sale, for sale and also auction for bidding. So they have a lot of variety stuff for auction, like art, books, electronics, clothing, collectibles, home, and jewelry, fine jewelry, and custom jewelry. So anyway, I was looking for a signet ring, and because my fingers are a little bit on the smaller petite size, so it's hard for me to look for a ring. And it's the same price for a size 4 compared to a size 9 ring, and it's much less in terms of weight and gold. So I looked around on the website and I actually found one that's my size, and I bid on it and I actually won. So I got the box today, and shopgoodwill.com, they have a variety of states that's offering shipment, and the site is just combines all these items from different states. So but just bear in mind, because they're from different states, they do charge shipping and additional handling fee. So before you put on the item, you want to make sure you're aware of the charges, so that when you do win the item, you're ready to pay for the item in addition to all the additional fees. But it is for a good cause, so you could check it out yourself. So anyway, I'm going to open it and see how this is. So the box came in with these peanuts, styrofoams, and here is the package. And the ring comes in this bag. Let's check this out. Ah, here we go. Oh, look, it's a good fit. So when I saw it online, the item looked a little bit scratched up. I guess because it was zoomed very close. But looking at the ring, it looks fine. It's this beautiful oval shape with designs on the side. And the best thing is that it fits. So you can definitely check out the website. Again, it's for a good cause, and if there's anything interests you, definitely go for it. And that's it for today, and thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the alert button when I post my video, so you could be aware of when my video goes release. So anyway, see you next time and have a good day.